I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this
Welcome back, guys, to another 5-star meal cooking that I'll be prepping today for you. I will be making some Parmesan wings with a little hint of garlic. All my ingredients will be dropped in the description box, and this was about, I would say, 3.5 pound wings. I added some oil to my herbs and spices. I did not use any salt because I used a pack of Sazon. Here I am rubbing in my seasoning, and I will be leaving this overnight. Happy birthday to you, Debbie. A friend of mine and also one of my subscribers requested me to prep some food for her. So here I am coating the wings with some cornstarch and some of the Parmesan cheese. I coat this lightly because I'll be doing this in the oven and I want this to be crispy. I don't want this to be fried. I think it's best done in the oven. It's the first I'm using this type of cheese. I normally use the grated one. Here is what it looks like once the cornstarch is on this. I already preheated my oven to 400 degrees. I will put this in the oven, leave it uncovered for 45 minutes. Here is my Parmesan chicken wings. I made a little sauce to drizzle on this. Once it was done, added it back to my oven. It's now ready. A little hint of garlic, Parmesan wings done in the oven. Debbie, please make sure when you watch this video, light up the comment section and let me know what you think about them. Garlic Parmesan wings. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Let me give you a second to like the video. The like button is right on the left bottom. Give your girl a like. Thank you for that like. Please remember now, drop some comments, like, share, and I will leave my ingredients in the description box. It's Super Bowl Sunday. Try this recipe for yourself. Share it with others. I also made my all-time special, some Barbie fried wings, which you will see at the end of this video, and some turkey meatballs barbecue style. There goes my Parmesan wings, and I did some Parmesan wings, some Barbie fried wings, and some turkey meatballs. Thank you guys for stopping by. See you next Tuesday in another video upload. Thank you for your continued support. Like, set that notification bell, share, and subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. Thank you. See you soon. Hey guys, please remember to check out my other wing videos. I have so many wings recipe out there. Turkey, Barbie fried. I have hot and spicy. Run on over and check them out. Run through my videos and you'll find more.